I'm really grateful to my mom and dad that really started this business. Back in 1978, my dad bought here a Cadillac, which was on all drive in Higgins. He's grown the business since then. And we're and dedication and really the job that they did day in and day out. I mean, we were like, I think #2 in the Midwest with Genesis. Sold a ton of used cars and a ton of new Hyundais, and they really did a remarkable job, and I can't thank them enough. And there were days where it was 110 degrees in that tent. There were days that we had snow and moisture on the tent and leaking on their computers, and it was rough. And I really thank them more than anything else. I also like to thank our partners that helped build us this facility, which was Valenti Builders, and our site manager, Mark, Lupe, I can't, Jamie was here to tell me his last name, but wonderful guy that really kept us in business day in and day out. Hyundai is a really exciting brand. I think they have all gamut of cars, from stylish sedans to incredible electric vehicles. Really, the future is great with Hyundai. We'll be moving out of this facility soon, and we'll be going down the street, or moving out of the Genesis business out of this facility and going down the street with their standalone facility. So hopefully you all can come to that grand opening as well, probably two in a month's period of time. And I really thank the Schaumburg community and George for all he does for me and our family long term, and my partner Marty and Jamie. He's always been there for me. I really appreciate that. And the SBA people that are here, I really appreciate them coming and supporting us. It means a lot to me. It's a wonderful community to be associated with and for the business that we do here. So thank you again for all coming, and let's have a celebration and enjoy today.